Finally guys, we have got the new latest version of APC-S3 0.28.a version which can run God of War 3 guys. Really, this version can run God of War 3 in our Android device. So guys, in this video I will going to show you how to update this emulator. And guys, one new thing in this emulator is ready, which is ISO file guys. You can now install ISO games on directly into this emulator. So guys, let's go, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And guys, let's go guys. As you can see guys, we have now ISO directory option available in this emulator, which means we can now run ISO file directly into this emulator. So as you can see, I have already installed so many ISO files which we gonna test in this emulator. But guys, before we start, let's check first what new options have come in the settings. Most of them look same as before, but still you can copy all these settings from mine if you want. Okay guys, let's see if there is any new things in the graphics settings. It is mostly the same as before. Here if you can use OpenGL if you want to fix the graphics. I am using Vulkan because I don't have any graphics issue. So let's, as you can see, it doesn't matter if you change the resolution from here. I don't think it will improve performance or not. So don't forget guys, these two options are checked on your emulator to read color buffer and write color buffer. After guys, as you can see, there is an option available, resolution scale guys. This will boost your performance if you kept it at 50%. And guys, if you having any problem in this emulator or any game is not working, crashing, you can use the option available which is here. And after select the custom driver force max clock option also, this will slightly improve your performance. Let's also check if the game patch option is available. Right now guys, it's not there, but once it come, we will be able to play all PS3 games on our low end device. So let's go guys. Here we are running God of War 3 on our Android via using APS3 0.28a. So let's go guys. As you can see, God of War 3 is successfully started on APS3 emulator. So as you can see guys, the problem is guys in this emulator is FPS we are getting is really slow guys. As compared to RPC SX emulator, we are getting really slow FPS, which is still not playable. But I think guys, in the upcoming updates or in the next updates, we can be able to play God of War 3 better than RPC SX. The reason is because they have paused the development. RPC S3, I don't know why, but RPC S3 team has paused their development. But if we look here, the APC S3 update have been coming regularly without any delay. And guys, we should also know that this emulator was the first one to come out, the first PS3 native emulator on Android. So let's watch the gameplay now, and don't forget to like this video guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Sat on the throne as the new god of war. He was haunted by visions of his family, a family he himself murdered. But the hands of death could not defeat him. The sisters of fate could not control him. And on this day, the man, the legend, Kratos, will have his revenge.